Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with navigation,
heated driver and front passenger seat,
Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keyless entry,
AM/FM Sirius XM radio,
third row seating, Bose premium audio system, roof rack, garage door transmitter, auto high beam headlamp control, and has less than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.